Hello everybody and welcome back to a Roblox video, and right now I'm playing Roblox, and I'm going to skip ahead until I'm done signing up. And hello everybody, and we're back, and I'm going to switch to a different game, and I'm playing Minecraft. And you've probably seen a video of Crimson do it, but I'm Striker. It's really glitchy. I'm going to delete this world. And I'm going to come back and I'll skip ahead once I come back. Okay, I'm back and I'm going into my world, as you guys know, and it's going to be really fun, and I have to stop recording once my parents get home. And we are in a Tron add-on. And this is a snowball. And this is an egg. This is a red Tron disc. And this is a blue Tron disc, which is the snowball. Going to ride. Okay, and I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to spawn this. And I'm going to go over here. It's a good place. Do it. And going to wait until it's not glitched anymore. I'm going to go to a different world, actually a different game, and it's going to be fun. I'm going to end the video